the second day of the trip. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny morning. I put on, I believe, too many layers for today. Yeah, it's 9 degrees right now here. But today I am climbing the Haukelifjell mountain, and in the morning I was checking the weather and it said 1. So I don't think I will be taking off any layers until I pass the mountain. It is quite early, so yeah, I don't think it's gonna get warmer on the top of the mountain by the time I'm passing it. But then when I get down, I will already be on the western side of Norway, and I think it's gonna be hot today. I think, was it today or tomorrow? It's supposed to be up to 20 degrees. So I will need to shed some layers, like a steak or an onion. I don't know, you choose. I am a bit worried about climbing the mountain, maybe a tiny bit, but I have charged all my heated gear. So I think it should be okay, it should be fine. I was trying to change the route a little bit this morning to try to add one more mountain pass in, but that one is still closed. So I will be going in between like these huge mountains, and that's going to be also beautiful. There should be some waterfalls to look at. So yeah, it's going to be beautiful. I believe that is the Haukelifjell which I'm gonna be crossing now. I really hope I'm not gonna go around. No, I must be going through. I don't know why when I'm seeing this, the song from Outlanders is popping in my head. You know, the "Sing Me a Song." This does look a bit like Scotland, doesn't it? Wow. The lake still has ice on it. Yeah, if that is the mountain that I'm going to be crossing today, then I'm sure there's going to be plenty of ice on lakes up over there. That's really, really snowy mountain. I have just gone around it, so that was not the mountain I was passing, and I have just realized that another 20 kilometers away from Haukeli, and the mountain that I am going to be passing is behind Haukeli. So I don't think it's this one, but it must be somewhere behind this, I believe. But look at this, this makes you feel so small. I've now started climbing Haukelifjell. And do not look at the temperature here, that is not true. You can immediately feel the temperature dropping. I had to put on or turn on the heated gloves. You can really feel it. And there's snow, and the creek going through the snow. And these are the Norwegian cabins. I don't know if they have water, electricity, but sometimes they don't, and Norwegians still go there and enjoy their weekends here with the family, hiking and skiing during winter, or summer skiing. They have these like roller skis, or kind of like a rollerblades, but it's roller skis. What a wonderland. Is that house covered in snow? So cool. This tunnel that I'm going through used to be the longest tunnel in Norway in 1968. It measures 5.7 kilometers, which is very different to the current situation of tunnels in Norway, with Lada tunnel being the longest tunnel in the world. I believe by 20, yeah, I think it has 25 kilometers.
So I doubled the time to what it was supposed to take me to get through the mountain, because I couldn't not stop and take pictures and just look around and admire how stunning that was. And today's lunch stop is quite different to yesterday's. There's no wind whatsoever, or if there is, it's quite warm. And the sun is just so warm.
To say that there's 80 here. There's no way you can go 80 here. The road is so narrow and very winding, you know, very curvy, so you cannot see behind the rock. So you cannot even lean into it, because then you are wider, and if the car from the opposite direction is going through, it would not be good. And okay, that just proves my point. So by pure luck I managed to get onto the ferry on the other side of this fjord. Somewhere there on the other side I should have my glamping. Oh my god, and we're moving. I literally just got in. Wow, that was so lucky. Wow! Such a cool place. Okay, let me show you what it looks like inside. It's a small kitchen. And a bed with a view into the forest. The sun is setting on a successful day number 2. I just made myself dinner.
And the office for this evening looks quite spectacular to me. And my bed is a literal barrel. Life is perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video for riding day number 3.